Hello everyone, this is me Kavya and this is day 5 of 30 days English speaking challenge and let's speak English daily and improve our English. So finally I am day 5. So today I'll share vocabulary. So yesterday I was watching web series. From that web series I came across 5 new words. So I want to share with you. Before sharing, see friend, this is hibiscus flower and it's looking beautiful. So there are many flowers. But so first is versatile. Versatile means a person who is able to do many things in their life. I mean ऐसा व्यक्ति जो बहुत सारे skills जानता हो. It could be anything like dancing, singing, or anything. So that called versatile. And second, resilience. So what resilience means? Resilience means ability to recover quickly from the problem. So that is called resilience. And third is elated. Elated means extremely excited, or we can say very happy. So that is elated. And fourth is persistence. I hope I am pronouncing the right word. Persistence. It means a person who works continuously for achieving their goals. ऐसा व्यक्ति जो बिना रुके बिना गिव अप के अपने ड्रीम को पूरा करने के लिए लगातार मेहनत करता है उसे परसिस्टेंस कहते हैं. एंड फाइव इज मेटिकुलस. So meticulous means a person who cares a lot. ऐसा व्यक्ति जो किसी का केयर बहुत ज़्यादा करता हो उसे meticulous कहते हैं. In short we can say very care, very careful. So these are 5 words which I knew from web series. So you can use these words in your daily life in your spoken English. So friend, I mean for improving my English I watch web series, and nowadays I'm watching movie. I mean not English movie, it's South Indian movie dubbed in English language. So I tried to watch English movie, but I couldn't. I mean, I was not able to understand perfectly. So that's why I am not into English movies, but I watch South Indian movies dubbed in English language. It is very easy for understanding, for me to understand. But English movie, I mean, their action is very different. So nowadays I'm not watching, but yeah, in the future I'll definitely watch. But web series, I watch web series in English. So I have watched Friends. I mean, couple of episodes. I think 4 5 episodes I have watched. So in the beginning it was very tough, but now it is easy to understand, because when you watch continuously then it will be easy, right? And I watch conversation video. So I watch more and more conversation videos in English. So there are a lot of um, channel you can follow and watch. And I watch podcasts, and I watch interviews video. So I'm watching these all videos in English. So these are the things I eagerly wanted to share with you. So I hope this video helped you. If it is, then please like, share and subscribe. So I'll meet in the next video, D6.